It's a block video. We will make the sequence of blocks and arrange in this way. We will have the new designs and keep on generating the visuals here, and also create these designs, making the new pictures there. Let's add some shapes in this way. We will make new designs, blocks in a pattern and without pattern in a irregular way. So using it